about dealers in RoboSensei. As a dealer in RoboSensei, you can establish and grow your STEM business. And in this video, we will learn how RoboSensei supports various operations that you need to do in order to maintain a group of customers and onboarding them. So what you want to do as a dealer, you want to be able to onboard schools who are your customers. You also want to be able to onboard independent business owners. These are groups or companies that actually provide coding and robotics education, either as an after-school program or in-school program. Once you onboard your customers, you want to be able to provide them with licenses, and you also want to be able to train the teachers and other administrators in your customers' organization so that they can implement a state-of-the-art STEM program. So let us see how we can accomplish this in RoboSensei. So here I have I am logging in as a dealer. Assume that you are a dealer. I have an account here that I'm logging in. So when I log in, so I'm inside RoboSensei. I'm a dealer here. I have a few menus here. I am presented with the licensing menu, and if I see here, I have purchased some teacher licenses, student licenses, and there is also one dealer license that is assigned to me, and I have also a sub-org licenses, which here is number 3. That means I can actually onboard 3 customers under my dealership. Here, these are the licenses that you can request and procure from your whoever has onboarded you to acquire more licenses. So the first thing you want to do to be able to get access to the dealer features, you want to go ahead and assign the dealer license to yourself. So here I am the dealer admin. That's the name that we gave. So I'm going to select that, make sure I have the dealer license in here, and assign license. So license is assigned successfully. Now I have a dealer license with an expiration date of, it's a very short time for demo purposes. So now I log out and log in again. So I'm back to here. I have no more dealer licenses available, but if I select that, I can see that I still have a dealer license, and I see here a huge number of menus. So first of all, if you have a dealer license, you pretty much have access to all the features inside RoboSensei, like a teacher. But in addition to that, you have this organizations or orgs menu. This is where you do most of your work as a dealer. So let's go ahead and select orgs menu. So here I can see I have 3 sub-org licenses, so I can create 3 more organizations. So let's say I have a customer, let's say school, that I want to onboard. In other words, I need to create an organization in RoboSensei and being able to assign licenses to them so that they can onboard students and teachers and conduct STEM programs within RoboSensei. So the first thing that you need to get from your customer before you start provisioning the organization is you need to identify one or more admins for that organization and have them create an account in RoboSensei through the register account menu. If you log out, you will see here the register menu. Using this menu option, you have your customers admins create an account. It could be at least one admin you need before you can create an organization. So let's say for the demo purpose, I actually have created an account and kept it ready. So I am now going ahead and show you how to create your customer, onboard your customer. So go to create organization. It presents you with some information about the organization. Let's say this is School 1. School 1. Something like that. Say demo school. You provide some description of the school. So here is the important part. Select admin for your organization. So here, in this case, I have created an admin account called S1. Sorry, S1 admin. I think I had mistyped next here. So I select that. That is the admin of my customer school. Say select OK. Create. Now you can see that now I have one organization under mine, and I have consumed one of the 3 organizations. I have 2 more organizations left. So this is a school that I have provisioned. You can always go back and edit, and if you like to change some details, you can change, add more administrators, change administrators, etc. So the next step for you to do is to provide them licenses. So at this point, let's go to licenses. So I have these licenses left. So I want to give some of these licenses to my customers. So go back to organizations. You go to packages menu. This is where you assign licenses to your customer. Packages. So at the moment, there is none assigned to this organization, which is School 1. So I'm going to go ahead and say assign licenses. So here I am seeing, obviously you don't want to assign any dealer license to your customer, but I want to assign, let's say, one teacher license to that school successfully. And I also want to assign one student license to that school. So now sitting here, you can see your customer has one teacher license assigned, nothing consumed, everything, one still remaining, and one student license assigned and one remaining. So from here, you can always see how many licenses they have actually consumed. So at this point, you actually have completed setting up the organization for your customer. So let us see at this point, when your customer logs in, what they will see. So I'm going to log out from here. And now I'm going to log in as your customer organization. I actually have S1 admin, so I have this already prepared. So this is your customer logging in. Okay, that's fine. So they log in. They also see some menus, and they went to the licenses screen. So as an org admin, They can do a few things. They can upload their logo, etc. They can import users, etc. We will use a separate video to show you how to import users. But at this point, they have access to the licenses that you have provided to them. You gave them one teacher license and one student license. So they can, for example, I can assign a teacher license to myself. Here as an admin, let me see, go ahead and assign. Now, if I log out and re-log in, I will get all the teacher menus. So you can see I have now full teacher menus and including the licenses menu. And you can see I have no longer have any more teacher licenses left. At this point, they could come to you and purchase more licenses. And I still have one student license. So this, in a nutshell, is how you onboard a school. The onboarding of, we talked about um, schools and independent business owners. The process is exactly same. In this case, it's a school, or it could be a business that is in the business of teaching coding and robotics classes. So this is how you can grow your business, and your customers can, if they are an independent business owner, they can actually build and grow their business, and your school customers can implement a very effective state-of-the-art STEM program.